Behind those mountains lies freedom. Attack on Titan na. Yes, this is my school. Yeah, it's our vacation. It's our vacation, so you'll only be seeing like 5 or 7 students, including me.
Memosin.
Yeah, I'm still there.
Memosin, hanapin mo yung sad mo, hindi ka magbibideo. Hindi mo hanapin yung tignan.
I'm just gonna keep recording and try to find my story. This feels like the back rooms. So quiet and lonely. Not like what I expected. I thought it would be loud, crowded, like back then when vacation was not yet announced. It's very nice.
Memosin, dito sa mga
Exit. What is this? Oh, the digital circus.
ABCD.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Mavi, ano to? Kuy. Kuy. School. School to Nino. Yes. Kaninong school to?
Kuya ka, gandang gabi.
Okay. First time niya palang makapunta dito, no? Siya ma-explore niya. No?
Tingnan mo yan sa diba? Huwag tumakbo.
Ikaw po yan, no? May ano?
Doon mo ko sa gitna nilagay.
Ngayon ka lang.
Now, this is the court. Sinignan namin.
Doon, hanapin mo to.
Well, I never went there. Except on the English quiz. I was allowed to go there. Oh, you gotta hurry. Register. Register? I'm pretty sure it's not spelled that way. Shout out. Oh, sorry. Wait. Okay. Yeah, no one's going there. So this is weird. Basically allowed to go anywhere you want. That's high. I thought I heard some of the shapes. So, yeah, no one's here. I guess we're gonna go back to first floor. Where the hell is the jet? Is that a water tower? This feels like a good spot for like a Jurassic, like a dinosaur game or movie. Because the Philippines is a good place, you know. Especially my school and my neighborhood. I mean, it has all sorts of good. Saan sa registers? Wala. Di ko alam. Baka nandun! Baka nandun, oh! Baka nandun.
Sa mga teacher.
Or nandun.
Halika. Pagka sa teacher. Sa guard, nagtanong ka?
Oo, wala daw din.
Wala.
Hindi daw pumasok.
Sabi niya, hanggang 5.
Huh? Baka nasa library. Ito, no? What is that? Is that dolphins? What kind of dog is that strong? To goddamn plant the floor. Baka nandyan po.
May teacher ba dyan? Tignan mo.
Check ko. Man, feels like Resident Evil. Stop pizza. Resident Evil 2 type of shoe. Well, Daddy, nakita ko nun.
Ano? Inano mo ko sa GPT, gano'n yung video mo. Hindi mo ba yung ginagawa ko? Ay mo si...
Ano?
Tanong mo dun sa teacher ko doon. Di ba may isang teacher ba? Tanong mo kung nasan si Sir Jeff.
Tsaka may sasabihin mo, sir. Yung mga classmates ko, nakita ko, nasa room ni Sir Ronnie. Siguro doon maghihintay.
Ano mo ba?
Wala rin dyan.
We're gonna ask the witness. This feels like detective mystery type of thing.
Mabi, huy! Shh, tali ka rito. Huliin ka dyan ng guard.
Tara na.
Pagin mo kapatid mo. Uy! Hintayin nyo na. Nag-lunch.
Kaya pala eh.
Iwan na kayo natin sa guard.
Pwede ba? Iwan na lang niya kasi.
Pwede po iwan na lang.
Pagdating din yung isa, wala na din siguro.
Ayun din na lang. Parang. Still having lunch. I guess that wasn't a mystery. Ipapost ko to sa YouTube ko. Ha? 151. So, I guess we're going home. But there's another mystery to uncover.
Ano kayo ng tricycle?
That.
Dito, puro kayo. Dito ka lang. Makita mo si Ma'am Gemma?
Nag-bless ako.
Ano sabi mo?
Hello po, ma'am.
Ano sabi niya?
Hello, ang puti mo naman.